So have you been told that your neuropathy is something you should just have to live with? Well, here's what I want you to know. The biggest problem with neuropathy isn't numb feet. It's what happens because of the numbness in your feet. You stop trusting your balance. You avoid walking longer distance. You start saying no to vacations, family outings, and activities that you used to go to. Over time, life gets smaller. But what if the goal wasn't just managing symptoms? What if the goal was feeling steady when you walk, confident when you stand, and capable of doing the things you love? I've worked with many people who thought their best days were behind them. They were told nothing could be done to help their neuropathy. Yet, when we focus on improving circulation, supporting nerve health, and rebuilding balance and strength, amazing things can happen. The question isn't whether you have neuropathy. The question is, how much of your life are you willing to give up because of it? If you're ready to start saying yes to life again, then follow for more information.